building the gas mains that goes to the main steelworks. And it will be, after we finish this joint today, it will be to the tether all the time looking
to put all this information in here.
What we've seen today is some safety work by SGN, which is the company that owns the gas pipes, and they've shown us how they've been doing this safety work with minimum disruption really to the road system.
in the lead if it had depreciated over the last 100 years.
The gas mains is being remediated using a CISBOT robot, so the gas mains remains live at all points in time, and every 12 feet in the old Victorian gas main there is a bell and spigot joint that's sealed with old jute yarn and hot lead. Over time these can dry out now that we're using natural gas rather than town gas. And the job of ULC Technologies is to go into each of those joints and to remediate them.
As you can see here, Michael's engaged with the cylinders and allowing the drill to go.
Every time that we drill into one of these joints, we will take a joint up and we will drill in through the clock face, anywhere between 4 and 16 times. We will then take the drill away and we fill it with an anaerobic sealant, which within 24 to 48 hours has cured, gone hard. It looks like a resin, and it would stop any leaks.
So we're looking at that.
An easy or straightforward
thing
to do.
Jump into the void there that it's done. What we've got a little into them two listens, and that's how we find out the perfect drilling position.
We're trying to make sure that we only have 7 or 8 pits during the entire excavation and remediation process to ensure that pedestrians and traffic and the people of Kingston can go around their business on a day-to-day basis without too much problem.
It means there's less disruption to the road network, it means less traffic jams. It also means that they can do the work quickly.
After we've remediated the joints, we're looking at another 50 years of lifespan, so SGN are investing wisely to make sure that this gas main in the centre of Kingston has another lifespan ahead of it, that the people of Kingston can be assured of their gas supply, they can be assured that everything is working perfectly, and that they have been disrupted as little as possible during the whole remediation process.
We were very pleased to come along and see how they do this. You've probably seen their vans about in the borough, and we're very glad that they are doing this work and making good the gas network so that there aren't any issues with it.